One of the most powerful tools for success is the power of the mind. When you harness your mind, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. When you develop a mindset that is focused on growth and success, you can unlock a world of potential. By consistently challenging yourself and pushing yourself to reach new heights, you can create a mindset that will propel to success. The key is to stay focused and motivated. When you set your sights on something, don't let anything get in the way of achieving it. Believe in yourself and your capabilities, and you will be able to reach any goal you set. Make sure to stay positive and remain focused on the end goal. Remind yourself of why you are pursuing success and how it will benefit you in the long run. By changing your mindset and focusing on success, you can unlock a world of potential and take your life to the next level. Don't be afraid to take risks and challenge yourself. Believe in yourself and stay motivated, and you will be able to achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks very much for watching my videos. If you have any question regarding this video, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. May God bless you.